Hi guys, this is Vanessa from Houston, Texas, and what you see right here is my haul from last night at Target. And yes, I bought a Emerson micro oven, 19 OLED soaps, and 3 Venus razors. And guess what my total was after coupons? 79, I'm sorry. $10.79. My savings was $112.98, and yes, I paid $2 for my microwave. Oh my god, I'm so excited because of this. And plus I got a $5 gift card right here. Can you look at it? My gift card is in my purse, which I don't have here with me. But yes, I bought 19 OLED bar soaps, the 3 Venus. This were $7.99. Buy 2 and get a $5 gift card. So I used 2 of the $5 coupons from P&G. One of the buy 2 get one free from P&G. On the Olay, I used the $4 off on $4 off Olay soap, and they work just fine with these ones. And the overage for the Olay, I use it to buy my microwave, which is this one. I'm gonna show it to you guys. You see, and it's pretty decent since I wanna decor my kitchen in red. I'm starting to decor my kitchen in red. And yes, oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. Well, so yes, you may wanna go to Target and try if you have any those $4 off coupons left from no, I believe it was Red Plum, and they expire the 31st of this month. So you may wanna go ahead and get on this deal. Okay, so yes guys, that's it, and thanks for watching. Happy savings. Bye.